Hi, in this video, I will show you two reliable methods that will protect your car from unwanted visits from martens and other animals. You can use both of these methods on any vehicle, and they will take literally 10 minutes of your time. As you can see, in the car I recently bought, the previous owner had some problems with wild animals that liked to visit the 3-litre BMW engine, which stays warm for a long time. I am going to replace the thermal insulation now. And during this process, I will explain exactly what you need to do so that this situation never happens to you. Without any unnecessary talk, I'm getting to work and I invite you to watch. The first thing I start with, and the first thing you must not forget, is properly preparing your workspace. Under the insulation, there is a lot of dirt, crumbled material, and probably animal droppings, so I cover the entire engine with painter's foil so that I don't have to spend hours cleaning everything that will fall off when removing the cover. Trust me, there are so many nooks and crannies under the hood that cleaning would take forever, while spreading the foil takes only 5 minutes. Next, I unscrew all the bolts holding the insulation in place. It's possible that some of them will break or crumble, because after many years under high temperature, there's a good chance you'll need to replace them with new ones. After removing them all, I pull the entire piece down, revealing the full extent of the damage caused by the marten. It looks terrible, but I know this situation will never happen again. And later in the material, I'll explain how to protect yourself from visits by such uninvited guests. I take advantage of the easy access to the whole hood and clean everything thoroughly so I can install the fresh engine sound insulation with a clear conscience. The new piece looks great. It's clean, black, and it looks like it's going to fit perfectly. But before I fit it, I'll show you two magic tricks that will keep animals from ever getting under your hood. The first one you can already see on the screen. Right now, I'm wrapping a handful of dog fur in a piece of fabric, then I'll place it under the insulation in 2 locations. Why? Because the smell of a dog signals danger to wild animals, and these tufts of fur wrapped in natural material combined with the engine's heat will send a long-lasting signal that loitering around our car is a bad idea. In the lower corners of the hood, I found a good spot where I can safely place my repellents. Additionally, to prevent anything from shifting or, God forbid, falling into the running engine, I stick the edges down with strong adhesive tape. In the next step, I install the new insulation, inserting all the side protrusions into their dedicated mounting holes. I am placing all the mounting clips back where they belong. The insulation kit came with a full set of brand new screws, so I am not reinstalling the old ones at all. Before I show you the second method of protecting the car from rodents, I want to show you the final effect. It already feels nicer to look under the hood. And to keep it that way, in addition to the animal hair I have already placed inside, I will install another effective repellent for all kinds of animals. First, I will remove the foil, making sure nothing spills inside. I take a pack of toilet freshener blocks, the exact ones you see on the screen, and I'll show you why in a moment. These blocks have a plastic housing that closes the contents fairly tightly, and at the bottom there is a through channel. That is exactly why I bought them. I seal the bottom opening so there is no risk of anything leaking into the engine bay. This way, under the hood, the animals will smell the strong chemical scent of the repellent, while any moisture absorbed inside will not reach any parts of the car. Using this double preventive method makes it unlikely that you will ever have to replace the insulation again. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. And in the next episode, I will show you how to take care of your car in every possible way. Good luck!